Have you ever thought that something as simple as a nightly habit could help you sleep better, ease your aches, and even give your immune system a boost? It might sound unusual, but the secret could be right at the center of your body, your belly button. Yes, really. Tonight, I'll share how applying just a few drops of castor oil to your navel before bed can unlock a range of benefits, especially for older adults. From easing joint pain and reducing inflammation to softening rough skin, healing cracked heels, and even supporting hair and nail health. This gentle remedy has been helping people for generations. This isn't a passing trend or a fancy wellness gimmick. Castor oil is a timeless, natural solution, safe, affordable, and incredibly simple to use. In this video, I'll guide you through 10 specific ways it can support your body and bring more comfort, confidence, and calm into your life. If you're tired of complicated routines or relying heavily on medications, this might be the most effortless wellness practice you've never tried. Number 1. Your belly button, a forgotten healing hub ***. To most of us, the belly button is just a reminder of where we came from. But what if that small spot held a powerful secret to better health? In ancient healing practices, the navel was seen as a central point of energy and healing. It's one of the first things formed in the womb, our first connection to life, nourishment, and growth. Even after birth, this area remains connected to vital internal systems through thousands of nerves and tiny blood vessels. By gently applying castor oil to your navel, you're not just caring for your skin, you're activating a deeper layer of healing. The oil taps into a network that communicates with your liver, kidneys, digestive system, and even your heart. This quiet ritual has been part of Ayurvedic and natural medicine for centuries, and it's gaining fresh attention today, especially among those looking for relief from poor digestion, low energy, or chronic pain. Castor oil is rich in oleic acid, which is known for its anti-inflammatory and detoxifying effects. When absorbed through the skin, it travels through capillaries and reaches deeper tissues. At night, this simple act of placing a few warm drops on your navel can calm your nerves, relax your body, and prepare you for deep, healing sleep. It costs almost nothing, takes less than a minute, and all it asks of you is a moment of care and presence. Number 2, strengthen your immune system, naturally ***. As we grow older, our immune system often loses its sharp edge. We catch colds more often, feel drained for longer, and bounce back more slowly. But what if a drop of oil and a short massage could help? When you apply castor oil to your belly button and gently massage it in, you activate the surrounding nerves and lymphatic vessels, many of which connect to your liver, spleen, and intestines. These organs are key players in your immune system. The light pressure of the massage improves blood and lymph flow, helping your body flush out toxins more effectively. And the oil itself, especially because of its ricinoleic acid, supports your body's natural inflammation response and enhances immune activity. It's a soft, nourishing way to help your body defend itself. And all it takes is a moment each night, gently massaging castor oil into your belly button and slow. Circular motions can spark a quiet but powerful healing effect from the inside out. It's not a magic trick or an overnight cure, but a simple bedtime habit that can gradually strengthen your body's natural defenses. Many older adults who used to catch every cold that came around have told me how much stronger they feel after just a few weeks of this nightly routine. One person even said, "I haven't had a cold since I began." Another shared that it made them feel like they had taken back control of their own health. These little, consistent acts of self-care, done with trust and patience, can lead to big changes over time. Add this to your evening routine and give your immune system the gentle boost it's been waiting for. Number 3, soothe back pain and relax tense muscles as you sleep. ***. Back discomfort is extremely common as people age, whether due to years of physical labor, bad posture, or simply worn-out joints and muscles. It can interrupt sleep, limit movement, and affect your mood, but relief might be easier and closer than you think. Castor oil is known for how deeply it penetrates. When massaged into sore spots like the lower back, it seeps into the tissues, easing stiffness, reducing inflammation, and bringing moisture to dry, aching areas. One of the key ingredients is ricinoleic acid, a natural anti-inflammatory found in high amounts in castor oil. To try it, Warm a few drops in your hands and gently rub it into the painful area. For added effect, place a warm towel or heating pad over it for 15 to 20 minutes. This increases circulation and helps the oil absorb more deeply. I've seen people who struggle with back pain for years feel better in just a few days. One friend who sits at a desk all day said he finally slept pain-free after just 3 nights. No pills, no side effects, just warmth, touch, and care. This small habit can lead to a more restful night and a more comfortable tomorrow. Number 4, heal dry. Chapped lips with just 1 drop. Asterisk, asterisk. Cracked lips may seem minor, but anyone who's had them knows how painful and frustrating they can be. Cold weather and dry air make it worse, and aging skin becomes even more prone to dryness. Most lip balms only offer a temporary fix. They leave a greasy layer without actually restoring moisture. Castor oil, on the other hand, deeply hydrates. At night, dab a single drop on your fingertip and gently press it onto your lips. No need to rub. It forms a light, healing layer that works while you sleep. Full of fatty acids and vitamin E, castor oil helps repair and soften skin. A friend of mine who used to suffer from cracked lips every winter tried everything. Nothing worked. Then she tried castor oil. After 1 night, she noticed a difference. After a week, her lips were soft, smooth, and no longer painful. Now, she keeps a small bottle next to her bed and swears by it. It's a natural, effective remedy that can bring real relief overnight. Number 5, soften rough heels and sore feet with ease. Asterisk, asterisk. Our feet carry us through life, but over time they often become cracked, dry, and tender, especially at the heels. For older adults, this isn't just a cosmetic issue. It can hurt and even feel embarrassing. Castor oil offers a deeply moisturizing and soothing solution. With its rich supply of fatty acids and vitamin E, it penetrates the thick skin on the heels, hydrates deeply, and encourages healing. Just before bedtime, apply a generous amount of castor oil to your heels and feet. For best results, wear socks afterward to help seal in the moisture overnight. By morning, your feet will feel softer, more comfortable, and better supported for the day ahead. Take a minute to gently massage the oil into your feet, making sure it's absorbed well. Then slip on a clean pair of cotton socks to lock in the moisture. While you rest, the oil goes to work, soothing, hydrating, and repairing rough, cracked skin. A friend of mine used to dread wearing sandals because of her dry, painful heels. She'd tried countless pricey creams over the years with no real success. But after just 1 week of using castor oil at night, she was amazed. Her heels felt smoother, looked healthier, and the pain had disappeared. It's a small act of care that can make a big difference in how you move and feel. If you've been hiding your feet or feeling sore when you stand or walk, this might be exactly what they need. Your feet carry you through life. This is one simple way to give back. Number 6. Refresh tired eyes and reduce puffiness naturally. Asterisk, asterisk. The skin under your eyes is delicate and often the first place to show signs of fatigue or aging. With time, it becomes thinner, more prone to puffiness, dark circles, and fine lines. Lack of rest, stress, and even dehydration can make you look more tired than you feel. While many eye creams promise miracles, they're often pricey and packed with chemicals. Castor oil offers a gentle, natural approach that supports your skin rather than masking it. Just a drop, carefully dabbed under the eyes before bed, can help calm puffiness, soften fine lines, and hydrate dry skin. The oil contains vitamin E and fatty acids that support skin repair and improve circulation, while its anti-inflammatory properties ease swelling. To apply, lightly tap a tiny bit with your ring finger beneath each eye. No rubbing needed. Let it absorb slowly overnight. A neighbor of mine, who often worked late nights and felt self-conscious about her under-eye bags, started using castor oil this way. Within days, she noticed a brighter, smoother look and felt more confident going makeup-free. It's a small nightly ritual that can help your eyes look more refreshed and restore that well-rested glow. Number 7. Encourage thicker brows and fuller hair growth. Asterisk, asterisk. Thinning hair and sparse eyebrows are common as we age, but they can have a big impact on how we feel about ourselves. Thin brows may make the face look tired, and hair loss can affect confidence. Many commercial treatments are expensive and filled with synthetic ingredients. Castor oil, however, offers a natural and affordable alternative. Packed with vitamin E, proteins, and nourishing fatty acids, it helps feed hair follicles and promote healthier growth over time. It also coats each strand, helping to reduce breakage and dryness. For eyebrows, dip a clean cotton swab into the oil and gently apply along the brow line, especially in thin areas. For the scalp, part your hair and massage a few drops of oil directly into the roots with your fingertips. One viewer, who had overplucked her eyebrow for years, told me she saw a big improvement after just a few weeks of regular use. Her brows looked fuller and more defined, and her self-esteem returned with them. A few minutes each night can help bring back the volume and confidence you deserve. Number 8. Restore weak nails and bring back their natural shine. Asterisk, asterisk. As time goes on, many people notice their nails becoming thinner, more fragile, or prone to breaking. It's not just a cosmetic concern. It can make everyday tasks uncomfortable. Unfortunately, many store-bought products contain harsh chemicals that may temporarily improve appearance, but don't actually nourish the nails. Castor oil provides a gentle, effective alternative. Thanks to its high levels of fatty acids, proteins, and vitamin E, it supports nail strength and overall health. Just rub a drop or two into your nails and cuticles each night. Over time, the oil penetrates deeply to strengthen brittle nails, prevent splitting, and even improve shine. It's a soothing bedtime habit that takes just a few seconds but offers lasting results. You'll notice not only smoother, shinier nails, but also healthier-looking hands that feel taken care of. What to expect over time? Consistency is key when it comes to natural remedies. With castor oil, the changes might not be dramatic overnight, but if you stick with it, the improvements are noticeable and lasting. Whether you're using it on your nails, scalp, skin, or joints, the benefits compound over time. Stronger nails, smoother skin, a flake-free scalp, and better comfort in your body. Within the first week, you may notice more moisture and softness. After 2 to 4 weeks, you'll likely see visible improvements in strength, tone, and health. And within a few months, many users find they no longer need the expensive creams or treatments they once relied on. Real people, real results. Asterisk, asterisk. This isn't just theory. It's been experienced by real people. One man who battled chronic scalp irritation for over a year said castor oil gave him peace and confidence he hadn't felt in a long time. A grandmother with dry, cracked heels said it was the only thing that worked during the harmattan season. A teenager with brittle nails started using it as part of her night routine, and her hands now look salon perfect, naturally. These stories highlight something simple but powerful. Sometimes, healing doesn't require complicated products. Just patience, care, and the right natural solution. Making it a habit. To get the most out of castor oil, attach it to an existing routine. Keep a small bottle next to your bed, by your toothbrush, or with your skincare products. That way, it becomes as second nature as brushing your teeth or washing your face. Even 5 minutes a night can make a real difference in your body's health and how you feel in your skin. Final thoughts. Nature often gives us what we need. We just have to return to it. Castor oil has been used for centuries because it works. It's affordable, effective, gentle, and full of benefits for people of all ages. Whether you're looking to strengthen your nails, calm your scalp, relieve sore joints, or heal irritated skin, castor oil is a trustworthy ally. And the best part? You don't need to do much. Just a few drops, a little massage, and a bit of consistency. Start small, stay steady, and in time, let your body thank you in all the beautiful ways it knows how. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.